Today we're going to be reviewing a car seat cushion specifically for your legs. This is brought to you guys by our newest sponsors, Arcoche. This particular seat cushion is supposed to extend the cushioning for your legs and allow you to rest while you drive. Ironically, when I drive long distances, I do find myself trying to fix the seat in such a way where my legs have some kind of support, and unfortunately I have not been able to get the perfect setup. Swing over by Arcoche's website, arcoche.com, and use my discount code C3SGarage for an extra 20% off your next purchase. Thanks to Arcoche for sponsoring this video. Let's get started. Now, this might look like a regular car seat cover, but it has an extended leg cushion for your legs specifically. And this is supposed to give you extra comfort when you need it, specifically for longer trips. This is a breathable texture just in case you have cool seats. I personally do not have cool seats, but it's worth seeing this in this particular seat cover. I do have seat covers on my Tesla and they do such a good job on keeping my car clean and nice. But in order to install Arcoche's seat cover with the leg extender, we do have to remove this cover. Now, I won't bore you with the installation, but it is extremely easy. Arcoche does provide the little spatula as well as the clips to clip under your seat and make sure that everything fits nicely. I gotta say, on first impressions, this looks absolutely stunning. It actually matches the car quite well. I do have seat covers, let me just say that again, so the seat cover back to the bottom don't match quite well, as the leg extender is supposed to match the seat exactly to the same tone and not match the seat covers, so that's why there's a discrepancy in color. And as some of you know, the new Teslas do come with this particular setup, except it's mechanized, so it is nice to see this setup on my car. Now, I do have trays under the seats, and these do not impose any particular problems with this, so I'm extremely happy that the car works as it should. The creases shown here will go away, but I was very thoroughly impressed that the seat cushion itself grasps the seat or the frame of the car so well it looks almost stuck. And you guys know I'm a sucker for things that look stuck on the car. As I mentioned before, I do have seat covers, so these are not supposed to match exactly the same, but this looks absolutely insane. It looks really nice. It keeps the car styling the same way and it keeps the same exact tones to the car, which I appreciate. They really nailed it with the finishes as well as the texture and the way the car looks overall OEM. Just quickly pointing out that when you put this seat cover, you really can't tell the difference between the driver and the passenger seat. As I was testing it, I did notice quite the difference when I was sitting down. For reference, I'm 5'9", and so this was a bit of a weird situation. I do have to accommodate the seat properly because I felt like this was way too extended, so I do have to tweak it. You might have to do this as well. After a few minutes of tweaking my car and the seat cushions to what I wanted, I finally got to a point where it felt extremely comfortable. I could definitely see the appeal on longer trips. And for reference, the length and the width of this cushion is about 3 by 6, so it's a pretty substantial height and a very nice length for your legs. So if you're even taller than me, you'll definitely get some serious use out of this. I gotta say, if you're a person that's tall and feel uncomfortable on a Tesla seat, this is a perfect solution for you. This worked perfectly with the Tesla controls. It looked OEM, it feels OEM. I don't have any cooling seats, but the seat warmers works as they should, so I think this is an amazing product. It deserves my stamp of approval. Thank you, Arcoche, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.